Information on the lifestyle of a dog. The dog, Canis lupus familiaris, is a domesticated mammal and a subspecies of the gray wolf, Canis lupus. Dogs are a domesticated mammal and a popular pet throughout the world. They have been bred for various purposes, including hunting, herding, guarding, and companionship. Here is some information about the life of a typical dog. Lifespan. The lifespan of a dog varies depending on the breed and size. Generally, smaller dogs tend to live longer than larger dogs. The average lifespan of a dog is 10 to 13 years. Puppies. Dogs are born after a gestation period of around 63 days. Puppies are born deaf and blind and rely on their sense of smell to find their mother's milk. They are weaned between 4 and 8 weeks old. Adolescence. Dogs reach adolescence at around 6 months of age. This is when they start to exhibit adult behaviors and may become more independent. They may also go through a teenage phase where they are more difficult to train and may become more mischievous. Adult years. Dogs reach full maturity at around 1 to 2 years old. They are considered to be in their prime during this time and are usually the most active and energetic. Senior years. Dogs enter their senior years at around 7 to 10 years old. They may start to slow down and become less active. They may also experience health problems associated with aging, such as arthritis and vision or hearing loss. Diet. A dog's diet should consist of high-quality nutritious food that meets their specific needs based on their age, size, and activity level. Puppies require more protein and fat to support their growth, while senior dogs may need a lower-calorie diet to maintain a healthy weight. Reproduction. Dogs reproduce sexually and can mate, and produce offspring when they reach sexual maturity, which is typically around 12 months of age, depending on the breed. Male dogs have a pair of testicles that produce sperm, while female dogs have a pair of ovaries that produce eggs. During mating, the male dog inserts his penis into the female dog's vagina, and the sperm are released. If the sperm successfully fertilize the eggs, the female dog becomes pregnant. The gestation period for dogs is around 63 days, and the female dog typically gives birth to a litter of puppies. The number of puppies in a litter can vary widely depending on the breed, with smaller breeds typically having smaller litters than larger breeds. It is important to note that responsible dog breeding requires careful planning and consideration of the health and welfare of both the parent dogs and the resulting offspring. Improper breeding practices can result in a range of health problems for the dogs and can contribute to overpopulation and the proliferation of breed-specific health issues. Exercise. Dogs require regular exercise to maintain their physical and mental health. The amount of exercise needed depends on the breed and individual dog, but most dogs require at least 30 minutes to an hour of exercise per day.
Socialization. Dogs are social animals and require regular socialization with people and other dogs to develop appropriate social skills and behaviors. Early socialization is particularly important to prevent behavior problems later in life. Training. Dogs require training to learn basic obedience commands and develop good behavior habits. Positive reinforcement training is the most effective method of training and should be started early in a dog's life. Consistency and patience are key when training a dog.